Big up Bounty Killer. He reposted my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, LB the Boss Videos.
Try to let me know. Pick up your neck, get on and step up in a deadly zone. Tell them it's gone down before shout out. Mix, so that no can steal it. Who can us make fun of it? What would us win us miss out of it?